This video is the fifth in our series of videos about Lightroom Basics. This video is going to be about how to export your images after you've edited them so that it can be used elsewhere. We've now taken our photograph, we've edited it, and we're ready to use it. We can either print it or keep it as a JPEG image, whatever we want to do with it. So we'll have to export it from Lightroom, and there's a couple of ways we can do it. Simple way, just go File, Export, and then it'll open an export screen. What I want to do in this instance, I want to put library, I want to send it to the library. There's the shot there, and this is the metadata for that photograph. It's just there in the drop down box. And we scroll out, it tells you all that there is to know about that particular photograph. And there's a thing there called title. Now, I'm just going to put in, this is as if I was putting in for a competition. So I'll put in a competition number and the title of the picture. So is it there? Right. So then what I'm going to do, go out the bottom and click export. So this is the export screen. We've got various different things to look at here. So at the top, that's where it's going to go to. So it's a file I've got called competition, and it's going to go into that file. With the settings, with the naming, there's various ones you could have. You have what you want. You could have like the file name, which would be ABC123 type thing, which is what's recorded on your camera. In this instance, what I've got is the title of the image, which I put on the metadata just a minute ago. You get that by typing edit, and then you alter it, and you just put the title there from this metadata thing, just insert it. The other thing that's quite important as well that we need to know is that for competitions, there is a size restriction on digital images. They've got to be no more than 1600 pixels wide by 1200 high. These dimensions you can change everything, but this is so I know that what I send into competitions is going to be right. And the resolution I always have at 300 pixels per inch. That's like a good resolution. And all I'll do is click export, and that then should pop up in my file. There we go. So that's it then, and we'll have the title of the image there as well. So it's all there, and that's just ready to go off for competition. Now, you may want to do things, you may not want to send it for a competition. You might want to print it off, say. So again, export. Now, with prints, you would do it slightly different. You don't have to have that height restriction or size restriction. So you might do it as megapixels. So I've got it like for that 5 like high sort of megapixel thing, so that I get more detail for a print. Now you can set these things individually, but an easy thing I find to do, you can see down this side I've got presets, and you can easily do them by just that's like that. So you just add. So I'll put demo create. So all of this now is in that demo. Once when I click on it, it'll come up with all of these settings. So, so I've got like the competition one. There's back reduces the size a bit. Print competition, and there's 5 megapixels. So it depends on what you want to use it for. That's how it works. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope you enjoyed watching our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye now.